Alright guys, so here we have an eBay buyer who wants to risk about $5 in shipping. Risk his item being damaged for about $5 in shipping rather. So I had it packed up nicely in this medium USPS medium flat rate box. Shipping for this on eBay is about $13.65, and he thought that was a little too high. I told him what's in the original packaging, it's protected, it's the smallest box it's going to fit in. That's what I got. You agreed to that when you purchased the item. He did send me an offer for this. He got it for $35. This is about a $130 item, but I accepted it because I was trying to get rid of it. I don't need it. And he wanted me to package it in something different. He said, why don't you just throw it in a envelope, in a padded envelope. I said, I don't think it's going to make it like that. It's plastic. It's going to get cracked. But he agreed to, as you can see here, that I won't refund him or accept a return if it arrives damaged. So that's what he agreed upon. I took it out of the box. You can see that with the original packaging it does not fit in the medium or in the padded flat rate envelope. So he did request that I just send it without the original box. He said he doesn't need that. So here I am taking it out. We will put it just like this, just as he requested, into the padded flat rate envelope. That's how it's going to ship, just like that. No other packing material. And I'm going to take a picture of it and send it to him and tell him this is how it's shipping. No refunds, no returns. And if he agrees to that, I'll send it on its way. If it makes it, good for him. He saved $5 on shipping. If it doesn't, well, then he lost his $35 that he paid for the item. So here I am. Send him a message saying, this is how it is. If you want me to ship it like this, I will, but it's on you at your own risk. So if he agrees to that, then it'll be on its way just like this, and he'll save, he'll pay about $6 in shipping instead of $13 in shipping. So a whole $7-8 that he saved to risk a $35 item. So that is that. This has been Colin with Techout.